Hello friends. So today we are going to learn use of AI in Blender. For that we are going to use today ChatGPT. So first we need to open ChatGPT in any of your browser. So I will provide the link of ChatGPT in the comment box. So in ChatGPT we have to write script on Blender to create a gold ball. Let's run that. It will take little time. So ChatGPT will create a script for you. Once it's done, then you have to copy the script from here. Then go to Blender, then delete everything what have in your screen. Then go to this scripting tab. Click here. Now click on the new. Then just paste all of your script. Then you have to run the script. So as you can see, one ball is already created by the script. So it's not gold because in the viewport you are not able to see any material. So for that we have to go here. Yep, I can see the gold ball. So guys, if you want to create anything else, you just try in ChatGPT to write like that. And I'm curious to know what you create by using this AI system. Just let me know by comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.